Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nando. Happy Sangria Saturday. We're out and about in the wilderness going for a nice hike. We're hiking on a hiking. No biking because we're liking to catch up with the Vikings. Got to enjoy the outdoors while you can. Tell you, everybody's scratching their neck to get out. Those cheeseburgers, man. I'll suck your dick for some wildlife, man. Oh my goodness. Nice little breezy afternoon. It's good though. You know, you got to get back to it. Starting to feel one with the couch or one with the bed. And there's only so much Netflix that you can fucking take on. How's everybody's Sangria Saturday hanging? Doing. Sangria sounds good right about now. Hey baby, I like the way that you hold that bag of dog shit. Oh, it's my dinner for later. Always pulling jokes. So this is my Saturday. About as wide open as a hooker's legs on a fucking back alley. Huh? I guess I'm killing a mood. Some kind of schmood. As long as I get the vibe. Everybody's vibing. Oh, this is nice. Very straight shot, direct. Not really as mucky as I anticipated. Oh, she snapped off another one. Yay, go doggy! She threw another heat stick out. Yay! Hey, how's the consistency on that? Nice and firm? Is it warm to the touch though? Too bad the dog park was closed. A lot of parks are going to be closed right now. Just have to improvise and make the best of the situation. Haven't shot in a while. I think it's been a few days. I think it was Tuesday, Wednesday when I last filmed. Hey, you won't huck that bag of shit.
I'm not gonna do it.
Gotta keep it funky. You're gonna eat that bag of shit, have it stick to your ribs like chicken and grits. Marasaka.
Pine cones are still hanging on there. Isn't that cool?
Got some pine cone activity there.
No, it's just cool because the tree's fallen, but the
Yeah,
pine cones are still hanging on. Like, We're not going anywhere.
You guys like the outdoors out there? Going for hikes, walks, and all that happy horse shit? Oh, this tree over here, that's got a nice creek going on. Nice creaky. What about four-wheeling? You guys big on the four-wheeling? I haven't gotten onto that. Last time I was on a dirt bike was 1997, and I took my friend's fence down. Leave it to me. I'd like to give it one more again. One more game. This is nice. Gives you the sense of absolute, you know, recluse. But then you see the fucking highway right there. Well, I hope you guys are being safe, taking universal precautions. Wash your hands, sanitize, wash your dirty ass, all that happy horse shit. So, I'm gonna catch back up later with you guys. I'm gonna finish this walk. Oh, stay up! I got money on you. She almost took a digger. All right, folks.